Today in Flavors and Knowledge, the Creamy Chronicles, the peanut butter story. Welcome back, dear friends, to Creamy Chronicles, part of Flavors and Knowledge, where we delve into the stories behind the food that we love. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode, we're diving into the delectable world of peanut butter, that beloved spread that finds its way into our sandwiches, snacks, and desserts. But have you ever wondered about its origin and the journey to become a staple in our American cultures? Well, let's look into this. Let's start with the history of peanut butter. And while the Aztecs and Incas may have been the first to grind peanuts into a paste, it was in the late 19th century that peanut butter, as we know it today, began to take shape. Dr. John Harvey Kellogg, the same Kellogg's of breakfast cereal fame, played a pivotal role. He developed one of the earliest versions of peanut butter as a protein-rich food for his patients. And let's not forget George Washington Carver, whose experiment with peanut butter contributed significantly to its development. But how is a peanut butter made? And that is really a relatively simple process, something that you actually can do at home. First, you use raw peanuts. They are usually roasted nicely to enhance their flavor. Then they are ground into a thick paste, and some manufacturers would add a little bit of salt, sugar, and other flavorings to create different varieties. The peanut butter is homogenized to achieve its smooth texture, and from there on, it's packaged and ready to enjoy. So, as you can see, it's relatively simple. And now let's talk about the American cult of peanut butter. And as you know, it's more than just a spread. It symbolizes nostalgia, comfort, and childhood to many of us. Who did not grow up enjoying peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, right? Pretty much everyone. Let's not forget about the peanut butter cookies, the smoothies, and even savory dishes like peanut sauce for the typical Asian cuisine. But peanut butter isn't just beloved for its taste. It's also packed with nutrition. It's a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. No wonder it became a staple in American households, especially during World War II, when it was included in the soldiers' rations for its high nutritional content. And so, in conclusion, dear listeners, peanut butter isn't just a spread, it's a cultural icon. Its a rich history, simple production process, and versatile uses have made it a beloved part of our American cuisine in our culture for generations. And that is all for today's episode on Creamy Chronicles, where we talked a little bit about peanut butter. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating food story. Until then, keep spreading the love, one spoonful of peanut butter at a time. Eat well and stay well. Ciao, ciao.